Alright guys, we're back on the road, back to the house. We got Mike behind the camera. He's always working on the truck, so it's awesome to be able to have him enjoy it, you know, be able to ride in it. So we're back on the same road we broke down on. We're gonna take the same road back. These guys helped us out earlier. Those guys helped us out earlier, so it was nice to be able to drive the truck back later. Let them know we're gonna go, so. Mike said it's riding pretty rough. It's riding a lot better than it was. We need some air ride on it. Oh yeah, we need air ride on this truck. But dude, it's running a lot better now too with that new coil. Speedometer works, boys, and the odometer. The odometer, I cleaned it up, and the odometer's working too. Gets a little sketchy going down the hills. Holy shit! Hey, we're going 45 miles an hour down this hill, guys. That may not sound like a lot, but when you're in a death trap of a truck, that's pretty bad. This truck don't have seatbelts. It didn't have seatbelts back in the day, guys, so we definitely don't have them now. That's the 1 right there. She pulls, though. She pulls like a freight train. She pulls pretty strong. Nice running truck. I love this truck, man. So fun to ride it. We got dipping diesel behind us. We're gonna have dinner over at the house tonight. We're always having dinner. It's always good to be able to relax, have dinner with the boys and the girls after a long day of work. What we got right here? We're good. Oh yeah. She takes corners easy, boys. Alright guys, for all Mike's help, we're gonna let Mike drive. I figured it's only right. Mike's always helping with the truck. So we're gonna let Mike drive, boys. We're gonna let Mike drive the rest of the way home. She's running, dude. She's running mint, bro. She's running good.
You're gonna go straight, right?
Huh?
You're gonna go straight to the main road?
Yep.
I'm gonna take a left and go to the church, and I'll hop out and record you
Hell
passing
yeah.
by. So.
Nice. Alright. Alright, boys. Mike's first drive on the truck. You got the headlights looking good. The headlights looking really good. You ready? She's mint, dude. She's mint. She is minty, minty, minty. Yeah, second is down there, and they just pop that thing right into second. She'll crank, or she'll go. Passenger seat's pretty comfortable. Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta kind of feel it out. It's an old transmission, old gearbox. Yeah, the GMC came through and smoked out the road. That was kind of messed up. That's a little shady. That wasn't cool. Got dim diesel in front of it. What do you think, man? What do you think about the truck? Good. How's it? Nice. Rides like a 2020, doesn't it? We're like Cadillac. I like Cadillac. Mike daily drives a Cadillac CTSV. Oh yeah. Mint! Minty, minty! All the work you put into those headlights, man.
We'll see him tonight.
Oh yeah, we'll see them tonight, good. First night we'll be able to actually see them. We've had time to take it out. So we're gonna go eat dinner, and then we're gonna eat right after that, or after we eat, we're gonna test out these lights. See how the lights are looking after dark. Make sure you guys are smashing the like button on this video if you enjoyed this 51 content. It's always fun to take this truck out. Subscribe if you guys are new. Got a turn coming up. Yeah, we'll be good. Take it. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we're good. Did she stall out? Did she stall out? Uh-oh. Well, we're good. Neutral. All right, we're good. Yeah, keep pressing that button. No, the battery?
Battery came off.
Oh, the battery cable came off. Oh, she's mint though. Just go ahead and put her back on. Yeah, this battery terminal, we're running a different battery than normal. This is the normal battery we run. Freaking dog's trying to come after us. She's good, huh? She'll start right up. The battery terminals we're running on this one are a little bit smaller, so they, well, yeah, we'll take this idle out a little bit. Throttle out. Oh yeah, she's good. Can't find them, grind them, baby. No, it's an old truck, dude. People just don't understand. It just, she's stubborn. She don't like to sometimes go into gear the way she should. It's almost too American to put this footage on YouTube. Right? Oh, we onto somebody's driveway. Oh, hold on. We're good. We just take this right up here. Yeah, we just take this right here. You in neutral? Yeah. All right. I got your brake. Jonathan went this way. Yep. Normally I take that turn, the earlier turn though. I wasn't even thinking about this way. We're almost back to the house. We'll catch up with you at nighttime and check out these LEDs. Alrighty guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, I've been waiting for. We're about to drive the Dodge at night for the first time with these new LEDs from the HID factory. Link below to these headlights, 7-inch headlights, 4-inch Marimoto fog lights. They should be pretty bright. We're gonna go down to the church and back, not too far. Probably have the drone follow us, maybe do a little shots there. We're gonna have Dip and Diesel behind us, a little far behind us, so his light throw isn't messing with our light throw. But I'm gonna turn the garage lights off. We're gonna turn the lights on in the truck and have them shine in the garage to kind of give you guys a look before we go out to see how they're gonna look. So, Alexa, turn garage lights off. About to say, she don't want to listen to this. Well, by the way, we got Mike with us still. Mike made dinner tonight. He made a good dinner. What's going on? So those are the low beams right there. These are low beams and fog lights only. So Mike wired it up for me. So whenever I turn the high beams on, which goes off the dimmer switch on the floor like original, and the headlights also work off the original light switch on the dash. So everything's original like it should, other than the lights themselves and the wires. So I'm gonna turn the highs on. You'll notice the fog lights will go off and the bottom of the headlights will come on. Bam. Just like they should, boys. That's pretty cool to me. So I don't know how it looks in camera. Does it look pretty good, Jonathan?
Up front or right the light?
Yeah, they look
pretty bright. Yeah,
they look stupid bright.
It's like a light bar.
Hell yeah. We are on an uphill angle, so my garage, my driveway, the way it's sloped is like this. So the headlights probably look like they're pointed straight up, probably because they are. We'll adjust them. No one's gonna be on the roads tonight. We've already adjusted them for the most part, but we haven't fine-tuned them. Well, I'll probably have my wife or something come at an angle or come from the other way and make sure we're not blinding anybody, because we obviously want to be safe with these super bright lights. So let's put you guys up on the drone. We're going to drive down to the church. We'll see you here in a second. Check out the lights. See how bright they are. He's backing up now. We're going to get some shots. It's too dark out here for the drone to fly. So the drone can't fly. It can't see because it has obstacle avoidance. So we're just going to have him ride the pickup truck and show you the lights that way. They are super bright, man. That was good. right, guys, so we only went maybe half a mile, but I think these lights, the throw of them and the way they shoot their pattern, lights up the road almost as good as my F250, and that thing's a 2019, and it's got some of the best headlights probably on the market today as far as buying an OEM headlight. So, man, they look stupid good going down the road. They're super bright. I don't know if they're gonna blind anybody yet because we haven't had somebody pass us or hit their brights or something like that, obviously. We only went a short distance, but we'll have probably Jonathan or somebody drive and we'll make sure we're not gonna blind anybody. But man, they look really good. You can see the throw they make. The beam that just comes out of them just looks so nasty.
You want me to pull ahead of you?
Yeah, probably. If they blind you. So Jonathan's gonna park over there and see if they blind somebody coming down the road. We could always adjust them down, which we probably could do anyway. Use our high beams. If we're on a country road, we'll just use our high beams, and if no one's coming. Our low beams we want pretty low to the ground. We don't want them coming too high. How they look?
Oh, they're good.
They're good? They're so bright?
Yeah, they're bright.
You see everything? Alright, boys, we'll probably lower them a little bit because I can see how they're kind of a little high. I think Mike's feeling the same thing. They're a little high. They look a little high maybe, but not anything too crazy. We'll adjust them down a little bit. But man, they look pretty good.
I think they're brighter than my fog lights are bright.
This thing's pretty bright. The fog lights aren't the craziest bright. They don't look that bright.
They give you a wide throw though.
They do give a wide throw, but just those headlights just out. When you look at the headlights, they just take all your attention to the headlights. They're so bright. Yeah, those fog lights aren't as bright as I thought they'd be.
Nah, but they're
maybe the headlights
more
are so bright that
they're more of a fan though. And even when they were on the wall in their garage, it's just like a straight 3-inch line, just left to right. That's all it was.
Because when I'm sitting in the truck, I don't see like any sort of dark space in front of me. It's like perfect as far as how high it is off the ground and its throw and its wideness. Alright guys, we're gonna turn this overhead light off above you and ride back with you guys inside the cab so you can kind of see how the lights look from inside the cab on the way back home. There's an exit up here, but I'm not sure where it's at. I think it's up here. About to hit an exit or about to hit a ditch? There it is. Lights look really good from inside the cab, guys. Want to test out the 2-speed? Huh? Do it. Nah, I didn't want to go.
Get them high beams.
Oh yeah, high beams here. There's high beams right here, guys. Really bright in person. Probably doesn't look too bright on camera. Might be a little. Alrighty guys, so that's the headlights from the HID factory. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, consider subscribing. We've got a ton more content coming on this truck. Flatbed, I was told was done 2 days ago, so hopefully it should be, by the time you see this video, shipping to my house. Also, the engine swap is on the way as well, so stay tuned, guys. The engine's actually done. It's just waiting to be shipped. Waiting on, I think, a banner and a couple t-shirts to be made, like a new design for the company that we're working with. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. These things are super bright. Dippin' Diesel, make sure you check him out. Huge shout out to him for helping me out. We got Mike here behind the camera. He's always helping out as well. So shout out to him as well. Follow him on Instagram. I think it's at mwall69.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good tag right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.